All right, so take one. We totally first time doing this. So we're the hikers. Day 3, heading to the top of the mountain. Johnny, Juliet, TMax.
Hey.
Let's do it. Uh-oh, he got her.
I went to international school. I learned about the world, but the UK wasn't a big part of it.
Yeah, I don't know what that says. After a long day of hiking, I always reach for a sweat drink. How you guys feeling?
Doing great.
Hiking.
Working now.
Yeah, we're almost there. We got like all of the way left. We're not there yet, but we're working on it. How you guys feeling?
Doing great.
Yeah. How you doing over there, Juliet? Look at that view. A little more to go. Always time to work out. How'd you feel about Busan? No,
was
sorry,
good, it was good.
Bukhansan.
It was good, man. It was good.
So introspective. Okay.
Can't pronounce the name of the peak that we went to, but it was a badass peak. Worth going to, definitely good views.
This is a family channel, and I have to edit that out. No, just kidding. Going up was awesome, fairly easy. Come down, it's also easy, except for not on the body or the joints. So windy at the top, so windy, but beautiful, beautiful views. definitely worth it. Took about 5 hours round trip, so recommend doing it if you have time when you come to Seoul. And now we're sitting here waiting at the Buddha statue. Hope to catch a bus down here with the rest of the people. Angel, what's up, man?
Oh, hey.
I see what they did there. Hey, having Brenner. So sometimes we just don't walk the right way. We end up on the highway, right? We're trying to see the Banpo Bridge. Oh, we see it.
Ah, we got it! Yes!
So we walked around the city block, walked along the highway, had to jump a fence, found ourselves back at square one, but we made it to the light show, to the fountains.
Fountains of Youth.
What'd you think?
That was great, man.
Yeah,
Pretty cool stuff.
Full 15-minute show. Definitely worth checking out. Maybe from the other side where the music's at, but
Probably, yeah.
still very nice to see.
It's more romantic this way, I think.
Check out the drone footage. Back with Steven again. We're at the BHC getting some Korean fried chicken. Juliet's on the camera. Good shot of the chicken there. Yeah, we're getting ready to devour.
Yeah, amazing.
All right, let's do it.
Smells very heavy.
Extra garlicky, right?
Yeah.
That is very garlicky. That's delicious.